Welcome back to Diecast Resurrection. Today we're working on a Buick Roadmaster. This one happens to be kind of a matte finish. And I was browsing around on Instagram and I came across this paint job and I was like, you know what? I probably have the stuff to do that. So I'm going to try do that paint job on this car today. If you guys come across awesome paint jobs you want me to try on Instagram, show them to me and I'll see what I can do, and I'll put your comment and everything right in the video if you want. We will have a look at the old interior first here. Ooh, that's basic. Oof. Kind of reminds me of an Argo. Beep. It's gonna be sweet, hopefully. Man, that is funky. Looks like a black light lens. Let's have a look here. Man, does that stuff work good, eh? Just does not strip cleaner than that. Here's our Roadmaster. It is looking... It's pretty nice actually. It's got some good detail on it once the paint's removed. So that is going to go in our favor. I've got some casting marks I got to clean up on this nose. I'd like the front of this hood to have a nice clean light refraction to show off our paint. I don't want to get everybody too worked up or anything. I've been discussing with Andy lately about potentially building a racetrack for the show. You know, we were trying to get a car out on 3D Bot Maker's track, but he's just too busy. So I got thinking, you know, it's like, well, why don't we build our own track? So we're tossing around ideas and kind of looking into supplies and stuff right now. It's going to be a different concept than what's been available on YouTube so far. Speaking of racetracks, have I told you guys about Starbond? Use Jimmy10 to get 10% off all your orders from starbond.com. Alright, I think I got this about ready. I'm going to give this a good scuff so our primer's got something to bite on. So I mixed up some paint. I'm using a blend of the new Wicked colors from Createx and some of my older Auto Air colors. I mixed these two greens and a little bit of yellow to kind of come up with this bright green color. And then we're going to drown it in this color shift. This weird rainbowy color shift. And we should end up with this exact same kind of look. So let's go do this. Alright, I got a whole bunch of masking to do. So I'm probably going to start with the two-tone. Whole lot of masking. Alright, first things first, I got to mask this whole roof off because we want all this little chrome to show on our car. Masking that off is nothing compared to that Mini Cooper dragster we did. If you haven't seen the Mini Cooper dragster video, I highly recommend it. I'm going to go hit this roof with some silver, and that's going to do the edging for all of our windows, and then we're going to paint the top a different color, and we should have a nice effect. Okay, so I'm going to go spray this with silver. I'll be right back. Alright, hopefully these lines are clean. Let's have a look-see here. You can hear the spray booth just giving her Gotta go close the door. There he goes. There goes the pump. It's not bad. It's looking not bad. Click, 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 click. Pimp. Now I was thinking kind of a whitish, maybe like a cream color, maybe like a cream color top, but I want to preserve this little edge of chrome. So now I got to tape off the chrome so that we can paint some kind of something up on top there. You know, this roof's a little bit crusty, but I'm gonna make it work. Very carefully. All right, I'm gonna go spray this top. More masking. So far so good. Everything is looking okie dokie here. If I get this all in one piece of tape, that would be just fine and dandy. Hey, nice. That's not bad. That is not too bad at all. I'll just tape off the rest. Alright, that's one side. Now I gotta do the other side. Alright, I'm gonna go spray these quick. And then we'll come back and do some details. Sweet. Alright, all that's left is these headlights. Boop. Boop. Click, 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 click. Sweet. Alright, well, we're getting there. I'm ready for clear coat. I mean, it looks pretty shiny now, and I noticed you could see some of the rainbow, but that's just because of some of the medium that's in with this color flare. It's almost like a clear coat, so I'll probably go throw this in the oven for about 30 minutes, let it bake for a little bit before I give it the final clear coat, and maybe I'll put some wheels on our base, okay? Alright, I'm back from paint, and we're clear coated. And I gotta say, this thing looks like a Barrett Jackson car. It is shiny. Can't get the right angle to show you. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do an assembly. Let's check this thing out. Hell yeah, man. Check out that thing. Ooh, baby. I don't know how I feel about the purple glass. I could take it or leave it. I might go back and tint it. But, I don't know, but, you know, now that I think about it, I'm going to have like a whole little collection of these little crazy rods, right? So, I don't know. When you got them side by side, it kind of suits it to me, so, hell yeah. I don't know which one I like better. Oh man, that purple though. They're both beautiful. Anyways, so if any of you guys find any cool paint jobs on Instagram you want me to try do, you let me know. And I'll try them. This one I think is a success. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did. Leave me a comment on that windshield if you want. Have a good week, you guys. See you later.